Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off dim flashlights in video contents on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, go down and tap on Motion. Then scroll down and tap on dim flashing lights. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And it's that video content that depicts repeated flashing or strobing lights will be automatically dimmed. The video timeline will display when flashing lights occur in the content for supported media. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.